Hello, how are you? It's me, Stephanie, aka Online Beauty Boss, and if you are watching this, it's because you made it into 2019. Hooray, hooray, to God be the glory. Glad to see you, and in advance, thanks for watching this video. I just want to first of all say thank you to everyone who supported Online Beauty Boss in 2018 through shopping, through referrals, for those who liked my posts and shared them on social media. That does go a long way, and I thank you so much for that. I just want to come on and give a quick tip, my first tip of 2019. People often want to know how to increase sales and how to get more customers. I would like to come on with a quick tip and just say, come on in. One of the best ways to increase your customer base and your sales is, drum roll, is to say thank you. Like I just did to you all who supported me. Say thank you to your customers. I am here. I started last week. I'm sending my thank you cards out in batches. It doesn't cost much to go to Dollar Tree and get thank you notes. I have these. I have these that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add a sample and my business card and just say thank you. Simply say thank you for supporting my business in 2018 and Happy New Year. That goes a long way. They did not have to shop with you. There are thousands of reps who are selling Avon. So when someone supports you, you should be very, very grateful because they did not have to do that. So yes, it may sound really, yes, thank you. Saying thank you goes a long way. If they're out of town, thank them. If you know them personally, send a personalized text with a beautiful picture of yourself saying thank you for shopping with me, for your support. That is one of the best ways to get referrals and repeat business. So say thank you. Don't forget to say thank you. Say thank you. It goes a long way. So that's my first tip for 2019, to say thank you. And how does it make you feel when someone says thank you? So think about that. Treat your customers the way you would like to be treated. I will also want to invite you all to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it to help get the word out. And Happy New Year 2019 from your Online Beauty Boss.